Good day everyone! I'm going to be replacing my old window type air conditioner with a new Hitachi window type of the same horsepower, and this is the Hitachi RA15HV. So it was just delivered, and as you can see, it's still harnessed, and I can't do this without the team of my unboxing boys. So I'm gonna call my unboxing boys now to help me cut these yellow things over here so that we can open the new Hitachi. So our product here is complete. So Ken, can you explain to me kung ano ang kasama dito sa Hitachi unit natin ngayon?
Bracket para sa installation natin.
Okay, and this is for the remote, di ba? Tapos kompleto, may battery pa. Oh, hindi na kayo bibili ng battery, guys. Okay, so eto naman, this is, anong tawag dito?
Fillers lang yan, sir, para pag sa mga gap dun sa butas.
Okay, I see. Tapos eto, syempre, yung mga ginagamit para i-install siya ng mabuti. Okay. Okay, so there you have it, guys. We've unboxed our new Hitachi, and as you can see, it's sturdy looking and very, very solid, which I think is important for long-term use, because we don't only want to be energy savings, we also want our appliances to last for a very long time. So I think that's the goal that we have over here. So after this, we're going to replace the old air conditioner with a new one. So watch us for the whole process. Okay, katabi na natin ang bagong Hitachi, and Ken will be here to tell us a little bit about the anatomy of the air conditioning unit. So Ken, ano ang nagiging iba dito sa Hitachi window type natin?
Bali, actually ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganitong design.
Okay.
Usually, ito yung pinaka-condenser niya. Andito siya sa likod.
Okay.
Then, ang fan motor niya ay isa lang. Then, pag umaandar siya, yung isa ay nagbubuga ng lamig dito. Ito naman ay nagbubuga ng init dito. So,
Okay.
Ngayon,
Dalawa ang fan
siya,
motor natin. Okay. So, that's dual cooling action, di ba? And energy saving. So, let's see how we're gonna do it later on. But then now, we're gonna put it up. Okay, so finally our new Hitachi is already on the wall, and as you can see, it's turned off. If you look at the display over here, it says 29 degrees Celsius, and that's because it's measuring the room temperature. It's not measuring its own thermostat. So that's basically what the room is before the aircon is turned on. So here, I'm going to turn on the air conditioner. Okay, so the power is on, and yet it's still really quiet. So I'll take 2 seconds to be quiet. You can't even tell that it's there. Okay, so now that it's already on, it's already cooling my room. I'll call Ken in again, and para ma-explain yung refrigerant ng ating bagong Hitachi. So Ken, ano ang nito? Ano ang feature dito na napakaganda?
kasi yung mga una nating mga aircon ay gumagamit ng R22.
But this is the refrigerant?
Yeah, refrigerant yung laman sa loob.
Okay.
So, which is, ang R22 ngayon ay
phase out.
Na-phase out na dahil sa pag-aaral na ay harmful sa ozone layer.
Okay, so the old refrigerant is harmful to the ozone layer. So this is using what kind of refrigerant?
Gumagamit siya ngayon ng R410A.
Okay.
Which is mas efficient siya in terms of absorbing heat.
Okay. And it's also environment friendly,
yeah,
right?
Yeah.
Okay, so there you have it. Since all of us, you know, we're all worried about global warming and climate change, this is the air conditioner that's good to the environment. And we really need to be good to the environment because we don't have a lot of time. So there you have it, guys. My Hitachi aircon is already installed, and in a couple of months I'll give you another update with a watt meter to see the difference between power consumption and how much more efficient and comfortable the new Hitachi unit is. And if you want to know more about Hitachi in general, you can visit the Facebook page, www.facebook.com/Hitachi Philippines. And also follow us on Instagram on www.instagram.com/Hitachi Air Conditioner PH dash. And also, of course, since you have your new Hitachi air conditioner, you can get 2 free cleanings. And how do you do that? You definitely have to download the Better Comfort app of Hitachi, and you're entitled to 2 free cleanings. All you have to do is inform them, and then they'll send technicians to clean your air conditioner. And remember, that's 2, 1 every 6 months. So we got you covered for 1 whole year. And of course, nothing would be complete without my YouTube channel. So you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then we'll take you, of course, in everything I do, work, dogs, news, whatever, and how Hitachi air conditioner figures in everything that I do. So there you have it, guys. Until next time, I am William Theo saying goodbye for now. Let me enjoy my unit for just a little bit longer.